Smartphones today have very powerful cameras, but to shoot professional looking videos, we need to go beyond the normal camera mode and learn how to use the Pro mode. Today, I'll be showing you how to set your phone camera to shoot professional looking videos using the Pro mode. Let's begin. Once you have an Android phone, we start from opening the phone camera. We open our phone camera. We open our phone camera. Once we open our phone camera, we will look at the options down. You can see a lot of options. In my own phone, I have the short video, the AI cam, the beauty, portrait, and more. So we go to more. We click on more. Once we click on more, you see the Pro mode. There are other options there. There's the time lapse, the dual video, super night, panorama, AR shots, and the Pro mode. So since we are going to shoot on the Pro mode, we choose the Pro. Once we've opened the Pro, you see that it has brought out the Pro mode. In the Pro mode, we have a lot of options that will enhance our video or our image. We can see the EV. The EV simply starts for the exposure value. Once we click on the exposure value, we can either decrease our lights. You can see I take shots with it, or I can also increase the lights depending on how lighted or how exposed the image is. So we can see the images we took. This is for when I increase the EV or the exposure value. You can see how lighted it is. This is when I reduce the EV. It's looking kind of dark, and you can see it from here. That is it for the EV, increasing the lights and reducing the light. So now we'll be looking at the next one. This is the X Auto after the exposure value. The X Auto, this is also known as the shutter speed for the phone camera. You can see it's already in auto, and this shutter speed captures, it's more like the amount of time it captures moving image in your phone camera. So once we have a moving image, we can, let's say, the higher the shutter speed, the more it freezes the image and gets clear images. But when we reduce the shutter speed, we can see that it is now well lighted and the image becomes blurry. So we can check some of the images we took. We can see this is the image of when we reduce the shutter speed. We can see that the image is blurry and it's not well detailed. But this was when the image, the shutter speed was high. You can see that the image is well detailed. We can see the image. This is it here. So the next to be looking at is the ISO. The ISO is also known as the amount of light that comes into the camera. Let's say the camera sensitivity to light. You can see that once we click on the ISO, we can see it's already in auto. And when it is in 100, see that the image is kind of dark. We can also increase the ISO. When we increase the ISO, you see that more light comes into the image. See that when we increase the more lights. So the ISO actually it's the camera sensitivity to light or your phone camera. So the more you increase your ISO, the more light you get in your image. So we need to understand that basically the ISO controls the light that comes into your phone camera. So we need to understand how we balance the light with the shutter speed. We can see some of the images we took. This was when the ISO was increased. This was when it was not well, we are still trying to increase it. This was when the ISO was very, very low. You can see that the image is dark. We can't get a picture of the image. So basically that is it for the ISO. So the next one I'll be looking at the white balance. So after the ISO, we'll be looking at the white balance. The white balance actually controls the color tone or the color temperature of the image or the photo you are videoing. Actually, the white balance gives white, makes, for example, where the white is, make sure that the white is actually white. Where the yellow is, make sure the yellow is yellow, that it doesn't change the color tone or the color temperature of what you are shooting. Now we can also adjust the white balance. we can adjust the white balance to any color tone or color temperature we want it to become. But the main aim of the white balance is that the detail or the image of what we are shooting should be understood. That is it for the white balance. As you can see that the color temperature of this image is gradually changing to different color. Even also, take note, when we go for outdoor shoots, we can also change the white balance to different color temperatures or color tone we want to shoot. Let's take some pictures to see the effect of the white balance. Now, when we leave it at automatic white balance, we can see the color tone. Let's increase the white balance to, let's say, 3200 Kelvin. We take it, and let's also increase the white balance to 9000, which is the highest. You can see it. When we check the image, this is for the 9000. We see how the image looks. This is when we left it at 3200 Kelvin, and this was when it was in auto white balance. So that is it for the white balance. So the next one we'll be looking at is the AF. You can see after the white balance, there's the next one, which is the AF. This AF is known as the autofocus. You can see that this focuses on or focuses all the image automatically. You don't need to adjust it. All the image is well focused and everything is in frame and well focused. Now there's another one. We can adjust the focus manually. Now by adjusting the focus manually, we can choose what we want it to focus on. You can see as I'm adjusting it, increasing the focus, you see that this is becoming focused. It can become focused. I can choose what I want to focus on. You see, I'm now focusing on this black bracket. I can come back. It can focus on this image or this door with love. You can see it's now losing focus. So we can increase or reduce the focus. So basically, if we want to shoot this, we have to set the camera. You can either increase the ISO or reduce the ISO. So now we'll now set it. You can now come to this manual focus, adjust it. Once we get a sharp image, we can take a shot of it. See how it appears? If it doesn't appear well, we can also reset. And take a shot.